Good morning. Today we're going to do a cold start video with my 1990 F250 with a 7.3 diesel. As you can see, I've monkeyed with the original configuration. I got rid of the key and I've just got a single toggle switch and a push button start button. Let's see how it does. Right now it's towards the end of January 2019 in Northwest Washington. Not that terribly cold outside, probably 35, 38 degrees, somewhere in that ballpark. I usually let the glow plug cycle do its thing and then let it sit a little bit longer. Let's see how it does now. And there we go. Pretty typical start on a January morning. And now it's about an hour later after I shot that cold start video, and I've crossed the border from Washington State into BC in Canada, and I'm on my way to the Pick Apart Auto Wrecker in Chilliwack, BC. One of the best auto wreckers around. They've got great selection, nice clean yard. They've always got what I'm looking for. Today, I'm looking for a new bench seat for this trusty old girl if I can find one, and also a bed if I can find one.